Hi, in this video, we will discuss how to redeem a PIX4D license. Often, users are unable to access the licenses because they have not yet been redeemed. Licenses purchased from a partner or directly from us require manual redemption using a PDF license certificate. Licenses purchased directly online are automatically redeemed to the account's organization logged in at the time. All PIX4D licenses are associated with an organization. When redeeming a license, ensure you are logged in to the correct PIX4D account and the organization where the license will be regularly used. To redeem a license, go to the PIX4D license redemption page. Ensure to log in with the credentials of the organization's owner or manager. Enter the license key received in the PDF certificate. Next, click Redeem. Select an organization in the PIX4D account and click Redeem. The license is now active and associated with the selected PIX4D organization. We hope this tutorial video on redeeming a license was helpful. See you in the next one.